thanks for tuning in. This is my little Camera Shy LL marked motor cylinder. Comes with a key. It's a little stiff. I don't know if that's the key or there's something special about the inside of this one. Never got it. Picked it a couple of times, and it's a little devil. Okay, let's see. Light tension. Start from the back and just feel for a binder. We get small clicks right away, almost like serrated pins, and we set the spool on number 2. This lock, as I said, turned out to be a little devil. Makes me drop pins constantly. So I tried to open it on camera a couple of times, but it just doesn't want to cooperate. By the way, this lock was sent to me by the Caveman 1966, so if you haven't checked out his channel, I'm gonna put a link in the description. He has some fun locks, so you should definitely check it out. This lock is all about tension control, even though it's just a 5-pin. If you don't use the right amount of tension and alternating between light and medium tension, you're gonna drop pins. We have good feedback on number 4, but I don't know if it's quite ready yet. I think number 1 is a better choice. Okay, let's go back to 4. Very good. Full set now. Again on number 1. Lost the full set. Maybe overset him. Oh, open. Okay. Let's get this one gutted. Some of Bill's green followers. Let's see if this one's gonna fit. Yep, I think so. Five pins. I'm just gonna dump them. Standard, 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 and standard. Okay, let's take a look at the drivers. Spool. 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 And a spool. Surprising. Okay. All spool. See, focus, focus. There we go. Five spool pins. Thanks for the luck, caveman, and thanks for watching.